Everything outside of the building structure and everything else is about learning. Levies are for learning. And whether we're learning math or science or English, or we're learning teamwork or craft or a skill, it's all the same. So yeah, they're impacted. Taking pride in your community and being part of it, and knowing your role. And it might be a short window of being a football player or something like that, but you know that that's your role and you're playing for your town. And you know, that spreads community wide. And to be a part of that, that's something that's bigger than yourself. And you're not gonna have that all the time. You're gonna take on a new role. There's something special about that. And to be a part of the Ferndale community and represent this county, and then hopefully at a district level and a state level and everything else, there is a sense of pride, you know. It's a matter of pride, and you see that up on the stadium. So I think there's great ownership to be had there. When you get 2,000, 2,500 fans together on a Friday night, on an October Friday night, and everyone's there together, and just everyone's, whether the middle school kids are off having fun and doing their thing, they don't care about the game, and the grandparents are up there and they know generations of kids that played and everything else. It's the only time we come together with that many people for a common goal. Yep. You know what I mean? I mean, yeah, that's what makes it special. We're missing Friday nights. Woo, this is rough. This is rough.